How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be replacing our Serpentine belt on the 2018 to 2024 Toyota Camry with the 2.5 liter. So looking down at our Serpentine belt, you can see it goes around your alternator and down to your AC compressor, back to your crank pulley, and then it comes up and underneath your tensioner. So looking at our tensioner, you can see that nut. That is a 14 millimeter. So you want to get your 14 millimeter wrench on that nut, just like I have. And then we're going to rotate it counterclockwise. And once we loosen it up, we will remove the belt from the alternator. And just release your tensioner. And then we can pull our belt off from around our AC compressor and our crank pulley. And to put your new belt on, you're going to want to start around your crank pulley, which is the big one on the bottom, and we'll go underneath the tensioner. So start by sliding your belt down, and if you have long enough arms, you can reach on the back side of your engine and grab the belt to go around the crank pulley, and then bring it underneath your tensioner. So this is a really tough spot to be recording this, but as you can see, I went around the crank pulley and made sure the belt is on the bottom of your tensioner pulley. And then we want to get it around this AC compressor pulley. And now we will take our wrench, put it back on the tensioner, rotate counterclockwise. And just take your belt and slip it up over your alternator pulley. And then release. So once you get your belt on, just look around all your pulleys, make sure your belt is sitting on them correctly. And if any of them are sitting wrong on the pulley, just loosen your tensioner back up and fix it. This is a very easy belt to replace. You shouldn't have any issues as long as you follow all the steps in my video. And that finishes up this job. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.